Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Tuesday, December 11th. The E-mini S&P added to last week's gain with a close Monday at 2 points higher at 1418. Yesterday's high at 1421 stalled again at the Friday peak with a multi-week high at 1425 from December 3rd just above. Dow futures were up 30 to the new 30-day highs at 13,170. The blue chips were 1% higher last week. Resistance sits at the 13,200 end of September, beginning of November peak, with the support on a weekly basis at 12,850. Tech shares added nearly 0.5% to 2547, up 11. The E-mini Nasdaq made new relative highs a week ago yesterday at 2698, right near the 2700 resistance, and the 2600 support sits down below. Crude oil finished down for the fifth straight session in a row, off a quarter at 85.70, just above the support level. The nearly 2-month trading range in oil is between $85 and $90 per barrel. The euro finished up 15 points Monday at 129.43. The dollar fell 10 to 80.30. Gold added another $8 to 17.13 after reversing higher from monthly lows intraday Friday at 16.84. Silver also added 15 cents to 33.29. With stocks adding another positive week solidly above the S&P 1400 and 13,000 Dow, where do things stand to start this Tuesday morning? The dollar's retreated back to the 80 pivot level, down 1/3% overnight. The euro currency sits at the crucial 130 level, up at 60 points this morning, as the 30-year Treasury bonds are 13 ticks lower at 149.5. Crude oil is up 50 cents to $86. Prices are at the downside support with weekly resistance at 90, which would target 95, and the yearly pivot on an upside breakout. Gold is steady right now at 17.13, with silver 10 cents lower at 33.27, even though the dollar has turned down. So as we get started on this Tuesday morning, stock futures are testing multi-week highs once again, with the E-mini S&P at 1423, up another 3 points. Dow futures are 30 points higher, and the Nasdaq futures are up 5 points with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action on this Tuesday morning, the euro currency is over 50 points higher, with the dollar and bonds lower to start the day. Crude's holding near $86 a barrel, with gold unchanged at $17.13 per ounce, even though the dollar is drifting. Stock futures with the E-mini S&P set at 1423, with weekly and multi-week highs at 1424, immediately above us. The Dow futures here at the CME Group at 30 points higher at the 13,215 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Wednesday for the information here. I'll see you early Wednesday from Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. For the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.